you're new to my channel, my name is Amata Rupani, and in today's video I am going to make you visit this beautiful city, Montreal city. And guys, it is going to be my last vlog in Montreal because soon time we are moving Toronto and I am going to make you visit this city by walk. So without wasting any time, let's just start. And we are going to that church which is in Old Montreal. The name of this church is Notre-Dame Basilica, and guys, it is the 19th century church and it is famous for its vibrant interior. I wasn't able to show you this church from inside because it was closed due to COVID-19. However, as you can see the architecture from outside, it is so beautiful that you would want to visit this place every day, and this is what we did. Old Montreal is located near the waterfront of St. Lawrence River, and there are many visiting spots, and Old Port is one of the famous spots for visitors. This port was used by French traders in the past. You can come here for tons of different activities such as walk, cycling, and there is zipline activity too. Guys, look at this. Isn't it beautiful? You will get to see many markets, restaurants, museums, beautiful architecture, historical landmarks, and many more. And guys, this is one of my favorite spots in Canada, Old Montreal. And this place is called Champ du Mars, and it is a beautiful historic grassy park for people to relax. And today we walked 4 kilometers almost. It was 7,000 steps. So this is Sanjay's smoothie, this is my smoothie. So let's go in the balcony and enjoy this smoothie. Next day, we decided to walk St. Catherine Street, and it is one of the longest and famous streets in North America. Due to COVID-19, it was closed. However, I have old videos that I'm going to share with you just to show you how beautiful this street is during normal time. You will see thousands of people walking on this street because of shopping malls, restaurants, and many other large stores. And the reason I like this street because it is full of lights and bright during night time. And did I tell you about this place? This is the water fountain in the heart of Montreal downtown, where most of the festivals are organized. And guys, this is why it is called Place of Festivals. Came to visit McGill. It is just 1 kilometer from our apartment, so we decided to come here and visit. This is the most beautiful university of the world. The university is also famous for many Nobel Prizes, but just so you know guys, our Prime Minister Justin Trudeau is also graduate from this university. Guys, look at this university. Isn't it beautiful?
are gonna go there all the way down. So we went all the way up there. Now we are heading back to the apartment and we walked 6 kilometers today. It was pretty much good amount of walk and we're not tired. Actually, we visited this beautiful place and I thought I should also share this with you guys before we leave Montreal. So anyways, I'll see you soon, maybe tomorrow. Till then, bye bye. Friday today and the time right now is 9 p.m. and we are going for the dinner. Not sure where, maybe St. Catherine Street. We still haven't decided which restaurant we are going to. Before we made reservation for Baton Rouge, that's one of our favorite restaurants in Montreal. But then we changed our mind. We thought we should try something new today.
I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are. You're a dream that I could finally see.
We stopped by at one of the shops to buy some souvenirs. Of course, how could we leave Montreal without them?
Have dinner in Old Montreal.
And this is the restaurant where we had our dinner. And guys, during dinner it started raining.
Okay guys, so we are finished eating. Now we are heading home. And the time right now is 12:15. It was super fun. The food was amazing. It was delicious. And guys, it's so much fun walking in Montreal downtown late night. So yeah, now let's go home.
Let's stay here, let's stay here in love.
And it's day 3 of our walk. And we are heading to the apartments where we lived at the very first time when we came Montreal. So I'm going to show you that shortly. Okay, so we are here and this is the building where Sanjay's first office was in here, and we're gonna go this way where I'll show our first apartment. Okay guys, so this is the building where we lived for the first time, and that second apartment was our apartment, and it was also fully furnished, and Sanjay's company gave this apartment to Sanjay until we found our new house in Montreal. So let me just show you from inside. I have few pictures of this. This is the building where we got our second apartment, which was our own apartment, and we lived in this building for 15 months, and then we moved to Brossard. So yeah, so we changed so many houses in our whole life. Felt like coming in here and wanted to visit these places just to refresh our memories. So yeah. So it's Saturday today, and today we are heading to another destination, and it is called Montreal Park, and it's a beautiful place. You will see so many people there, because that is also one of the visiting point in Montreal. So let's just go. This is the parking for this park. This is so peaceful and quiet place for you to visit. We are gonna go this way.
Thousands of people come to this park for tons of activities such as cycling, hiking, running, and relaxation.
Let's go this way.
Beside this park, there is playground for kids as well, and you will see many people enjoying their quality time with their family and friends.
Visited Montreal Park. Now we are heading back to the apartment. It was super fun activity. Today I am going to make you visit Chinatown, which is just few steps away from our apartment, and then we are gonna go to Old Montreal because we just love that place.
Montreal's Chinatown is one of the oldest Asian communities in North America. You will see many Chinese businesses, restaurants, and stores which are concentrated at a single area. You will also get to see these unique gates, which are located in all four directions, so you can enter into this town from any direction. We wanted to buy more souvenirs, that's why we visited more shops, and guys, they had huge collection of everything such as mugs, shirts, and many more. Later, we had dinner at one of its famous streets called St. Paul Street. It is famous because of many amazing boutiques, cafes, restaurants, and other shopping stores.
We have ordered our drinks and food. We also bought some souvenirs for us and for our family because souvenirs are must, right? And this is going to be probably our last dinner before we leave for Toronto. And we are going to miss this place. This is a beautiful place and anybody can fall in love with Montreal and Quebec.
After dinner, once again, we spent some time at this water fountain, and guys, it was our last time we came here before moving to Toronto. And guys, we lived 4.5 years in Montreal. But time passed by so fast because it was our life's one of the best experiences ever. We are excited to start our new life in Toronto, but we will remember this time and place forever. Because as I said, anyone can fall in love with this city, Montreal City.
Okay guys, so that was pretty much it for today, and my next vlog would be in Toronto because as I mentioned, we are moving there soon, and I will be sharing our complete moving process with you guys, and I will also give you the tour of our new furnished apartment in Toronto as well. So anyways, if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe my channel because there's a lot more coming up for you guys. Till then, you take care and I'll see you again